stores, that we have a brand new store.
Ashutosh sir.
We'd like to invite Ashutosh and Nishu to please come in front. As we all know that the Goa paparazzi is very hot and sizzling, and in the next 5 minutes, the entire Goa will know that we have the inauguration of the Samsung Digital Plaza. Dignitaries, thank you very much. Please step forward towards the Diya lighting, but in the meanwhile, Ashutosh Chakala and Nishu Sharma adding to the bandwagon. So then, sir, can we have all of you please come towards the Diya lighting and do the honors for us? And yours and God's choice for this very own Digital Plaza.
Madam, क्या साइड होगा? 1 minute. असं टॅक्स करते. एका साइडीच्या ना. अभ्यास मध्ये. Yes.
Our BJP State President, Sir Sadanand Chaitanya, May I also request Aryan to come in front? Well, the top personalities of Goa are here this evening at the Samsung Digital Plaza inauguration. And of course, there's going to be headlines on page 3. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the 3 keys to the we'd also like to present a bouquet to the ex-WRD Minister of Goa. We'll go to our dearest Emily, Honorable Emily, for the constituency of Sholem.
Ma'am, careful.
This is the Honorable. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you know that speeches are inevitable, and of course, blessings coming from their choicest words that they have chosen to perfection. We'd like to ask our dignitaries to please come.
We'll go little bit. And then...
We'd also like to present a bouquet to...
Yes, done.
So please come in front and take this from all of us. In this face, he is the man that we have to reckon with. Ashutosh Chakali. He handles the entire West Zone, and we might give you 100% discount sometimes. And one bouquet is also given out to Anand Divya. Thank you very much. Dignitaries, can I have everyone go on to the outside, please, for us? These ambassadors and much more. As we all know that Samsung India has got in 2016, and then there was a small little break, and now it's
once again has begun in the year 2024. Samsung has a new beginning with us. And there is where we have Sajid Shah and Aryan Dive, both of them coming together. And now, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, besides this business that we have with Samsung Digital India, we also have two other counterparts that are very famous. One is Z Mobiles, that is there in Mapsa, a big store for mobile phones, and also Z Motors, that is into Yamaha motorcycles. That is there. So these are the businesses that they have between themselves, Aryan and Sajid. And for that reason, we'd like to all celebrate, ladies and gentlemen. We'd like to have our dignitaries please come up once again.
Yes, sir.
Right where the cake is, everyone. So Sadanand Sheikh Tanawari, Sadanand Mandrikar, Madam Delilah Lobo. Can we please have everyone come over to cut the cake? And on the count of, I want everybody to clap for them, for Samsung Digital Plaza, for all the very best.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented.
Thank you very much, everyone.
But that was in the bad old days before I...
Kadi is going to speak first.
Thank you very much. First of all, congratulations to both the partners for joining partnership with Samsung India Electronics. For Samsung, this is the fourth exclusive store in Goa. One is Madgaon, two in Panjim, and this is Seolim, a beautiful location. And the way the things are going for Samsung, and this is exactly the same kind of store which we wanted to have for mobile, LED business, and the premium refrigerators for all the customers of Goa. And I would like to congratulate them. And we are sure that because our plan is to expand further in the different parts of Goa, and I am very much sure the kind of dedication they are having in the business. Already they are doing the mobile business in Mapsa, so they are well known about the brand, and we are also known about the partnership we have. So thank you very much, and all the best for the future expansion with Samsung. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ashu. Those were the lovely, encouraging words. It is now time for us to go on to our next speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, 15 years and counting, that's a decade and a half of experience in the political fraternity. Well, he is the beloved son of the soil over here at Sholam. He happens to definitely be the past Water Resource Development Minister. And he's here.
Third outlet. And vote for Samsung especially. My friend Mr. Sagar, they 83 outlet. आता अशा फंक्शनाक ह्या आउटलेटीचे इनॉग्रेशन आमचे राज्यसभेचे MP सदानंद शेठ तानावडे तशेंच गोंय BJP प्रेसिडेंट आमदार डिलायलो लोबो, सरपंच अभय शिरोडकर, पंच मेंबर बाय Infant Agrawalkar, ex-सरपंच बाय वेर्णेकर आणि सगळे अरे सॉरी पंच मेंबर बाय फटफडकर धर्मशाला सागराक एप्रिशिएट करूंक जाय. कित्याक करूंक जाय जेन्ना सागर आमच्या हांगा गोंयांत येयल्लो आनी सुरवातीक म्हाज्याच गांवांत तो रावतालो, तेंचो बापूय आनी आवय आनी ते सागर बी ल्हान ल्हान भुरगे आसले आनी बापूय मातशें केन्ना येवन बसतालो आनी ग्रेट फिलॉसॉफर सागराचो जो बापूय आसलो फिलॉसॉफी म्हणजे कितें तरी करप कितें तरी वयर वचप एकदा कशें आहा ती गोष्ट बापायक शक्य जायना आणि ती एक तो वार तो फुडें व्हरतना ताचो जो भुरगो आहा हो भुरगो तो आपलो वार तो फुडें चलयता आणि आपल्या केन्ना तरी आज आमी ह्या फंक्शनाक जमता पण त्या निमित्तान त्याच्या त्या वडिलाचे नाव खंय तरी आमकां तेजो उगडास काडपाक आमकां ह्या क्षणाक आमकां हें दिसता बरें दिसता अशी त्याची एक बरी फॅमिली एक आधी त्या काळात कशा खूप जाण येताले वयताले मदीं खंय आसताले नाच करताले काय कळनासले ते कितें जालें ते एक ह्या भुरग्यांनी हांगासून बरी जिद्द केली बरें काम केलें बरें म्हणजे ते म्हाका दिसता आमच्या होशल स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान ते खेळे वेळ खूब बरें परफॉर्मन्स तेणी एज अ स्पोर्ट्समॅन हें तेणी दिलें आणि आता ते बिझनेसान आणि योगायोगान तेच्यो जेन्ना आउटलेटी स्टार्ट जाता ते सांगता भाई तुम्ही येवकूच जाय म्हणटा आणि आमकां दिसता ज्या भुरग्याक आमी सुरवातीक पासून जे ल्हानपासून आमी वळखात येयल्या ह्या भुरग्याचें जर कितें बरें काम आहा जाल्यार ते आमकां संदी आहा मेळपाक तेजेर बेश्टी हजेरी लावपाक तर ती अवश्य आमी लावप त्या बद्दल कांय ना हांव नासलो हांव एक दोन दिसान हावस स्टेशनान तेच आसतना सागरा येतो फोन येयलो म्हणजे हांव आसतलो तूं कांयच चिंता करूं नाका हांव परत एकदा अभिनंदन करता की हेच न्हू हेच्या पेक्षा बरें परफॉर्मन्स आनी बरें काम तुजे कडसून आमकां अपेक्षीत आहा आनी तुवें तें करूनचें जेणे करून जे येणारे न्यू जनरेशन आहा ह्या जनरेशनाक तें दाखोवंक जाय कळोवंक जाय पयशे बापायन दूद जोडून घेल्यार ते मोडून कितें करतलो हें तुवें खबर नासतना आपूण पडून आपूण फुडें वचप हें खूब इम्पॉर्टंट तेका चड हें आसता मान आसता तूं कितेंय करूंक शकता ही म्हाका तरी गॅरंटी आहा कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन आनी आपयला म्हणून थँक्यू
Thank you very much, Sadanand Mangreka. Well, it's now time for us to have the maestro of the women empowerment in the society. Any job that she takes on hand is like the fastest finger first. It happens very rapidly, very quickly, and in a limited amount of time. Ladies and gentlemen, she is the face of Goa today as a woman entrepreneur and a great personality in the political fraternity, Mrs. Delilah Lopo.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Here we are all gathered to wish Bab Aryan, his partner and the entire team all the very best for the grand opening of this Samsung store in our Shivali constituency. I remember and at this function we have in our midst Honorable MP and our state president, Bab Sadanand Tanawade, our ex-minister, Bab Dayanand Mangreka, our Sarpanch, Bab Abhay, our ex-Sarpanch by Sharmila, our to-be Sarpanch, Bab Sandesh, our ward member by Simple, Bab Aryan, his entire team, press, media and my dear friends. I remember some years before, he was working in a Samsung store in Mapsa. And I used to go, like, whenever I used to buy a new mobile, to ask him for each and every features. And every time the mobile used to not work, I used to go to him. And here is a hard-working boy, Bab Aryan. Now the owner, the partner. This is the way a human being should be. Should come up from the ground below. And he is at the height. It is the hard work. It is your patience. It's your dedication what counts. आयज तो ह्या जाग्यार आहा कित्याक तोणे इतली खाला साकून काम केल्लो आहा. So माझे yes, it is a hard work with dedication, with discipline, and I wish Bab Aryan and his partner all the very best. आणि आमच्या शिवोली हे स्टोर ओपन झाल्या म्हणटकच हांव सगळे आमच्या शिवोलकारांक आनी आख्ख्या गोंयकारांक and visit this store. And from my part, you are going to have the best of road over here. The work is in progress with a beautiful divider, best of lights and best of advertisements. The speed breakers are just being painted with beautiful footpath and a gutter. The work is in progress. In days to come, you are going to see a beautiful, beautiful road from Theatre Junction up to this Top Dam Reach. And thanks for inviting me. Thanks for having me here. God bless you and all the very best. God bless.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Those lovely, lovely, lovely words. It's now time for us to have Sandesh Hadfadkar to please say a few words.
Congratulations, Sagar. माझो सामको भुरगेपणाचो मित्र आणि माझ्या धाकट्या भावंडा तो ITI वयतालो तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता TVS विक्टर ज्युपिटर सामकी बायक घेवन एक ब्लू कलर आतां खूब फुडें पावलो तो आमची बायक केन्ना घेवन वयतालो पूण आयज खूब खोस भोगता कित्याक आमच्या वांगडचो भुरगो खूब फुडें पावलो आनी असोच फुडें पावूं आनी दुसऱ्यांकूय हात दिवं. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Thank you very much, Sandesh. We'd like to have our Sarpanch Abhay Shirokar please say a few words.
Congratulations, Sagar. आज हे सॅमसंग स्टोर ओपन केला त्या इनॉग्रेशनाक आमच्या मदीं गोंय राज्याचे MP सर सदानंद शेठ तानावडे, तशेंच आमची शिवोलचे MLA मॅडम डिलायला लोबो, तशेंच आमचे शिवोलचे आदले एक्स WRDO मिनिस्टर बाई दयानंद मांद्रेकर, तशेंच शर्मिला वेर्णेकर एक्स सरपंच, सिंपल आनी संदेश. आयज आमकां खूब खोशी भोगता की सागरान हो स्टोर ओपन केला, ताका लागून तुका कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन म्हणटा. थँक्यू.
This evening, and he happens to also be our chief guest this evening, the BJP state president, who's going to now address all of us, Shri Sadanand Sheikh Tanawade.
सागर उर्फा आर्यन हाच्या सॅमसंग शोरूमाच्या आजच्या उद्घाटन सोहळ्याच्या निमित्तान आमच्या बरोबर हांगा उपस्थित ज्यांच्यानी आपले उलोवप केलें ते आमचे गोंयचे आदले मंत्री दयानंद बाब मांद्रेकर, ह्या मतदारसंघाचे आमदार दिलेला लोबो, सरपंच शिरोडकर, आदली सरपंचा पंच, उपस्थित सगळे प्रेस आणि आर्यन आणि दोन्ही पार्टनर भावानी भयणानो, सगळ्यां पयलीं आर्यनाक आनी तेच्या पार्टनराचें हांव अभिनंदन करता, कारण हो तसो चवथो तेंचो आउटलेट, 3 सॅमसंग, 3 वेगवेगळे मोबायल फोन्स, एक रिपेरिंग आणि एक त्यांचे स्वताचे बायक एजन्सी. आर्यन म्हज्या पयलीं दयानंदानूय बरें सांगलें, कारण म्हाकाय खबर नासलो की आर्यन हो शिवलकार म्हणून. आर्यनाक हांव म्हापसा म्हजे ऑफिस आहा थंय सकयल तेजो शोरूम, पण त्यामुळे आर्यनाक हांव बरीच वर्सां वळखता. मॅडमीनूय त्याची जेन्ना सॅमसंगान काम करतालो थंयच्यान तेचे पसून तिची वळख. पूण एक आर्यनाक हांवें जो पळयला तो एक हार्ड वर्कींग, डेडिकेशन दिवपी एखाद्या कामाक, आणि म्हणूनच तर त्याने एक स्वता बऱ्या तरेचे म्हापसा ह्या शहरा भितरूय 2 त्याचे स्वताचे आउटलेट, पणजी सारकेल्या शहरा भितर एक मोटरबायकचे एजन्सी, आणि आज शिवोली गांवांत ज्या गांवांत तो शिकलो व्हडलो जालो ह्या गांवा भितर एक स्वता अशें एक सॅमसंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आयटमाचें शोरूम त्याच्यानी आज हांगा उद्घाटन जाता. म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता, कारण हांव ह्या कार्यक्रमाक उपस्थित आसा, कारण त्या तिनूय कार्यक्रमांक हांव उपस्थित आसलो. पूण एक डेडिकेशन म्हणजे एखादें काम करता आसतना थोडोसो वेळ दिवचो पडटा आनी सिन्सियरिटी दिवची पडटा, कस्टमरा कडेन पोलायटनेसूय दवरचें पडटा. आनी त्यामुळे हे सगळें आर्यनान आनी तेजी पूर्ण टीम, कारण तेचे बरोबर काम करपी तेजी टीम जी आसा, कारण सदोदीत आर्यन कावंटरार आसना, पण ते काम करपी तेजी टीम आसा ती तितलीच मनापासून काम करपी टीम आसा. आनी म्हणूनच आर्यनाक येदे व्हडले वेगवेगळे शोरूम, वेगवेगळे आउटलेट करपाक ताकाय शक्य जालें. आनी ताणें हांव पळयता की सगळ्या तेजे बरोबर काम करपी टीम आसा तांचे कडेन केन्नाच आपले कामगार किंवा आपल्या अंडर काम करता अशें पळोवना, पण सगळ्यांक बरोबर घेवन फुडें वचप हो त्याच्या भितरलो एक बरो गूण आर्यना भितर हांवें पळयला. आनी ताका लागून हांव ताका विशेश दिता
आणि देवा कडेन मागता की तशें दयानंदान म्हणलें, दिलानानूय म्हणलें की हेच्या खूब व्हडलो जावचो, खूब व्हडले शोरूम ताणें ओपन करचे. आनी म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा, कारण आमी बरयतात की बऱ्याचदा आमी नोकरीच्या फाटल्यान लागता, पण एखाद्यान जर फाटल्यान जर डेअरिंग केलें म्हणजे फॅमिली बॅकग्राऊंड व्हडलो ना, पण आपल्या ह्या जिवनात कितें तरी घडोवपाक जाय. जशें दयान म्हणलें की भुरगे आवय बापूय जोडटले आनी आमीच कितें तरी करतले अशें न पळयता, स्वताचे जोडून म्हणजे आज हळूहळू ह्या गांवा भितर जेणे सुरवात केली आपली रावपाची. एक वेळ आर्यनाच्या बापायच्या नांवार ताका वळखताले, पण हळूहळू आर्यनान एक नांव निर्माण केल्लें आसा आनी हें नांव अशेंच व्हड जावचें, लोकांकूय बरी सेवा दिवची. आनी एक बरो ब्रँड सॅमसंग, तेच्या भितर मोबायला पासून इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सगळे आयटम एकाच जाग्यार दिवपी हो शोरूम आसा. आनी म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा की बऱ्या तरेची सेवा आर्यनान त्याची संपूर्ण टीम दितली आनी बऱ्या तरेन त्याची फुडें अशा पद्दतीचे आनी शोरूम तेणे ओपन करचे अशें देवा कडेन मागता. ताका शुभेच्छा दिता आनी म्हजें उलोवप थांबयता. देव बरें करूं.
Digital Plaza to come up and please give a token of our love and appreciation to our chief guest this evening, Shri Sadanand Tanawade. Who I haven't hosted until now. Today is my opportunity. Thank you very much, sir, for being a part of us this evening. Thank you, sir. Yes, one nice photograph for the media. Let us also invite Aryan. Thank you very much, sir. Oh, lovely blessings. May we now like to have the on behalf of to all of you for coming in and doing this auspicious inauguration. Well, ladies and gentlemen, with your explicit permission, do you want Aryan to say a few words?
Yes. Yes.
He told me Desmond to Alright, just say hello to everyone.
Good evening to you all. I'm very happy and very thankful to each and every one of you all who are present here. I'm not a stage person. Very scared to talk. Thank you, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much.
Mobile and बाकी सगळे आयटम.
मागच्या वांगडा रावता. मॅडम, मागच्या वांगडाच या. दिली.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Darga.